Hi guys, so well done on completing the last 4-week cycle of your training block. We are now slowly moving into a new cycle. So all that means is RPE, so the rate in which you're going to be working, so the intensity, is going to drop down slightly for this first week of your next week's training, just so you can adapt to some of the new movements, some of the new rep schemes, some of the new tempos, and all things like that. And then as the weeks go on again throughout this next 4-week cycle, we can ramp up the weight as the weeks go on. Not too many changes, so if we've been seeing good linear progress on certain movements, we've opted to keep those in, just because there's no point changing them if we are still progressing well. Whereas if there's slight plateaus on certain movements, so we take information across the whole group, that is when we can really change it, okay? The main thing to think about across this cycle, so you won't see it much this week, but as the weeks go on, we're slowly going to implement our AMRAP sets again. So the way that'll work on our accessory movements, not really our main compounds because we don't want there to be too much technique breakdown. On a few of our accessory movements, we're going to be doing 2 sets of a certain rep scheme. And then on that 3rd set, you're going to AMRAP the same weight for as many reps as you can, just as a little bit of an indicator to see if you've been hitting the correct numbers on those prior sets. And you can use that data going into the subsequent weeks. So for example, if you're doing 3 sets of 10 reps on a dumbbell bench press at about an 8 RPE, and you do your 2 sets at 20 kilo dumbbells, something like that, and then you AMRAP the next set and you're getting 20 plus reps, you know that you haven't pushed yourself enough on those prior sets. So that's a good little bit of data for yourself to take into those subsequent weeks, just so you can push yourself that little bit more. I'll see you all on the gym floor. Any questions, you can drop myself a message. Cheers.